Is anyone using +2 pocket wizards?
I've been following a sports teacher for a year, 2 years, and so I'd seen videos from the past academies and I'd read stories about it. And there just isn't that sort of thing in England at the moment. There isn't a community as close-knit as Sports Shooter, and there isn't many tutorial or workshops specifically in sports photography. So I thought, if I'm going to do one, I should do a good one. So I thought I'd come all the way over to Los Angeles to do one. I shot softball today and I found that difficult because I've never shot softball or baseball before in my life. I've hardly sort of watched them on TV either, apart from maybe 10 minutes last night. So I got to the field and didn't really know what was going on. But Matt was usually explaining where the action happens and where I should set my remote. I also shot horse racing, which of course we have it in England, but I've never shot it before. So that was a challenge. And then track and field, which I've shot a little bit before, but there's many more events here than there were in England.
Just for variety's sake, I mean, that's a really pretty picture. I love that.
I don't drive my car standing on my head. I don't think I could surf standing on my head either.
I mean, when you crop that bottom off, all of a sudden that dead space became the dominant photo.
I really thought the one-on-one critiques were almost the highlight of the workshop. You come back and someone tells you exactly why the pitch works or doesn't work.
Right. Now put on 28 and go to a game. Now your feet becomes your zoom.
Right, right.
To move over this way and have him start running. So if you've got someone like Sean Figgin,
and that's the kind of thing I can take back to England, and I can go out and shoot something, and I can then come back and say that's a good photo because, or not because, and it really pushes you, because just the smallest thing can, according to these faculty members, really ruin a picture. And just the little details that I might not have picked up on before, but now I look for in an image. From the critiques, I learnt that I tend to shoot a bit loose, perhaps. I used to shoot quite tight, but I've been told to loosen up by English photographers. Find a middle ground for that.
Just checking my remote from the javelin. It's not looking bad.
I think I would do the academy again. I can imagine myself over the next year progressing as a photographer, but again needing more instructions on things I wouldn't have thought of this year. It's a long way to come, but I think it's definitely worth it, especially because there's nowhere else I can go that's nearer.